happy. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 18 of your class 5 English grammar, that is contractions and questions. So let's begin with this lesson. Contractions are commonly used in English. इनको हम commonly use करते हैं अपने English में, like contraction are the reductions. ये क्या होते हैं? Reductions होते हैं किसमें? In word sounds by dropping of a letter or letters in the words. या आप इसमें क्या करते हो? Word sounds का drop कर देते हो letters in the words. So this chapter will examine the contraction of have and has with WH question words. Has और have की पढ़ेंगे हम इसमें किसके साथ? WH question words के साथ. Like listen to the following contraction. First the words are spoken separately. पहले words क्या बोले गए? Separately बोले गए हैं. Then with the contraction and finally used in a sentence. पहले clearly बोले गए हैं separately, then with contraction of it sentences में वो use करे गए हैं. How? Contraction with WH words and have. Contraction जो आपके WH words और have के साथ होता है, like how have. How have को कैसे लिखते हैं? How apostrophe then have. Be how have you been doing? आप कैसे कर रहे हो? आप कैसे हो? And why have को कैसे लिखेंगे? Why apostrophe have. Why have you come so early? आप इतनी जल्दी क्यों आ गए हो? Who have को कैसे लिखेंगे? Who apostrophe be. Who have invited to the who have you invited to the party? आपने किसको invite करा अपनी पार्टी में? Like when have कैसे लिखेंगे? When plus apostrophe be. Then when have we ever been here? Next is where have कैसे लिखोगे? Where apostrophe be. Where have you traveled in Japan? Next is what have कैसे लिखते हैं? Contractions में what apostrophe be. What have you done to my hair? तुमने मेरे hairs को क्या कर दिया है? Now contraction with WH words. Contraction कैसे होता है WH words के साथ? How has कैसे लिखेंगे? How apostrophe S. How has meeting been going? Next is why apostrophe S. Then why has the TV been turned off? Why has the TV been turned off? TV क्यों बंद किया गया है? So who has को किस लिखे? Who apostrophe has. Who has been on the moon? Next where apostrophe S. Where has the dad been all night? What apostrophe S. What has happened to my shirt? Next is when apostrophe S. When has your mother ever cooked marmalade? Next is alphabetical list of contractions. Alphabetical list जो होती है contraction की. Are not की क्या होती है? Aren't. Next is cannot की can't. Could not की could not couldn't. Did not की didn't. Then do not is equals to don't. Does not doesn't. Have not hadn't. Have not haven't. He is he's. He has he's. He has he will. He would he had he apostrophe D. Here is his. I am. I have I apostrophe B. I will apostrophe double L. I would I apostrophe D. Now read the sentence given below. See, she is doing her homework. वो क्या कर रही है? अपना homework कर रही है. She apostrophe S. इसको क्या लिख दिया हमने? I को apostrophe कर दिया. Doing her homework. I am playing badminton. I apostrophe am playing badminton. ये भी क्या होगा आपका? I am playing badminton. In sentence 1 we use she is. In sentence 2 we use she is. Now similarly in sentence 3 we use I am. And in sentence 4 we use I am. We use such short forms while writing. हम such short forms को कब use करते हैं? जब हम लिख रहे होते हैं. Now let us read some more short forms. He is, his. Here, there. We are, where. You are. Apostrophe लगानी है आरी को. So he will में क्या होगा? He apostrophe double L. She will, she apostrophe double L. They will में they apostrophe double L. We will में we apostrophe double L. Now we often add not to some words and form. हम क्या add करते हैं? Not use करते हैं कुछ forms में, like I is not, are not, will not, had not, were not, was not, have not, do not. Now their short forms are written as is not ki isn't, are not ki aren't, does not doesn't, was not wasn't, will not won't, share had not hadn't, have not haven't, has not hasn't. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a grateful day.